Hello, I'm going to be taste testing takis Blue Heat. It's meant to be a really hot chip. I'll open it up for you now and give it a taste test for you. You can smell it as soon as you open the bag, the spiciness of it. But that's what they look like there. Blue Heat. When it first put it in your mouth, it's not hot. So when you leave it in there a couple of seconds, you can feel it build up. It's not the extremest chip I've had. Got a bit of a tanginess to it. Got a can of A&W zero sugar cream and soda. It's an American drink. This is a diet one. Zero sugar. I'll taste this too. Oh, that's amazing. Artificial sweeteners are taking over, I tell you. This is so good. A&W zero sugar cream and soda. Give another one of these chips a taste test. Have another one. These are not that hot. A little bit spicy, but that rammy noodle I had, the bandak spicy Korean noodle, that was way hotter than this. But this is it's just a mild hot. It's not extreme like what it says. Pretty good. If you're in the shop, see them in the shop. I think they're from America, but I got them in Australia. I'd recommend trying it, and try the A&W soda too. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.